thought it was going to be a seagull, but... Oh, seagull. Seagull nicked it, yeah.
It starts now, but it says it peaks in an hour.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I'm like, it's late, sure they can know this.
Praticamente.
Wait. I looked at it now.
Ah, questi qui.
There's a meteor shower though. Yeah, they said after this. Yeah, there's apparently 4 big astronomy events today. There's a meteor shower, something this morning, like which planets are example. Oh my god. Yeah, my friend got it before.
That is amazing. And I think I don't know if you get closer or whatever. Oh, you have to
I know, yeah, that's it now. That's it. Because I saw it online and I was kind of like, really? No, I don't think
I'm surprised it's not dark in this meeting.
No. Yeah, it's best that you hold it, you do the picture. But it has a tight touchy pad.
I think somebody forgot to put it in.
You can see the light.
Yeah, and then maybe if you push in the exposure.
How about the sensor?
It's not iPhone.
Yeah, because we're doing it separately, yeah. It's nearly there. Yeah. I don't know how that works. How does it work?
But do you see how I want to teach you?
Well, you get a piece of paper.
Watch while I go over there. Can you see that tiny? I'll get my phone. Who's got my phone?
Poppy!
It's getting darker.
Somebody's watching you! Someone's watching you. Hello? Ollie, this guy is flying a muffin. It's what? No, you take pictures of this picture. Yeah. It's cool.
What's that?
Oh, wow.
Oh, I know.
Is this yours?
Yes, it is, yeah. When you accidentally look at it, it looks very bright, doesn't it? But it's amazing how just a sliver still means it doesn't go dark, does it? That's very interesting. I thought it's dark there, but we're just about there. And interesting. I had hoped it would. I hoped it would go a little bit darker, to be honest.
Is this as full as it gets now?
I think so.
Yeah.
We're supposed to be at 13 minutes past 7 was the dark.
Yeah, this is about it, isn't it? 13 minutes past.
Vieni Marisa. Vediamo il cheese.
Do a selfie. So when I went to the last Eclipse in '99, I never took a photo. Right. Hang on. Let's turn it on. Are we ready? And another one. Yeah. Do you want it?
Thank you very much.
Right. Just stand. No, drop it. Just close your eyes. That way, just look that way, do the same thing. That's it. So I've got the light through the glasses. That's it. Just stay there, just stay there. Look over here. And then turn around to that way. That's it. Stay there, stay there. Stay there, stay there. It's not very good. Why don't you let it? Stay there, stay there. Right, just like that. And then another one where you smile at me. That's it.
I think we're about to come out of it now.
Can you get some pictures?
Yes. Jabron? Do the husband and wife thing. Okay, hold on. That's good. No, stay there, because I've got a guy behind. That's it. Stay there, stay there, stay there.
Do you want one?
Yeah, that's what that is.
Stand behind us.
Okay.
Thanks, guys. Excellent job. Thank you.
It's a bit of an anti-climax now, isn't it?
Yeah, they're coming out the other end now.
Have you noticed something? All the birds have gone that were hanging around. They've gone to their rookeries underneath there. I never noticed that. So you think it's something to do with the moon?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
it's the pull of the moon, the gravitational force. It's interesting. I never noticed that.
Thank you so much for this.
You're very welcome. You're welcome.
You have to have.
No, I'm glad to share it with you. Someone's wearing glasses on it. Yeah, this has got green tinge. Yeah.
Well, last night. I give it back to whoever it belongs to.
I'd be interested.
Yeah. Well, you've got friends in Spain. Some parts of Spain. Yeah, yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. Nice to see you. Safe journey home.
Yeah, you want to get off? No. It's empty. Bye.
Ta-da. No, it didn't work very well. Didn't work very well, but hey ho. But I need a better camera really. So, but it was interesting, isn't it? Very interesting.
Oh yeah, that's
I'm surprised how many people are interested.
Yes.
Remember the people like yourself who are sharing out
Yeah.
because it is very difficult not to look up at it. Especially when you know something's going on.
Yeah.
It's very tempting.
Yeah, no, that's true. That's true.
Oh, it's been very floody. I'm glad
It's-
I came down.
Well, neither you nor me will see the next one because it will be in 2090, I think. So that will be the next one like this. So this is the last one for
I
us.
would be struggling.
Yeah, I would. I think I would as well. And
To be honest, I'd be struggling to see next year.
Well, hopefully you will. Hopefully you will. But yeah, very interesting. And it
People come together and something. It's not simple, but in a way, it's simple.
yeah.
People come together.
Yes, indeed.
Nice meeting you. I'm gonna get some
Yeah, and
supper.
you. Yeah, safe journey home.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
I'll read for that, and then I do my hack right in the middle of it. So read everything. So I can read everybody like. This is my one objective. Is to make my heart attack right here. Yes.
I was debating it. Yes, I couldn't debate it.
Yeah, because it's already done. And then you put the other one that's neatly as dark as I want to
One thing I noticed that there were birds everywhere, crows and seagulls, and they're all sitting up here, and then they disappeared. And now it's getting lighter. It's starting to get lighter, and it didn't go completely dark, obviously, but it did go dark sufficient for the birds to disappear, and they went to their nests and rookeries, under here and other places. But now they're not settled. You know, they would be probably sitting on here around here, waiting for ice cream cones and shandies and things. But there's not a single bird sitting, waiting anywhere. Not a single one. But they're all flying around because
Yeah, I was saying I made it really big. And it
I was surprised at, even when it was the maximum. Yeah, I was surprised. I thought it would go darker.
Actually, night vision did work quite okay.
Neil, take this one.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you.
Yes, I wish I kind of talked about it at the very beginning.
No, it reminds me of you for me.
Yeah.
You know, when the moon's orange. It's such a great
I am so excited you came, and I'm so pleased that you came too. It's good. It's worth it, wasn't it? It's going to be a long day for you. Yeah, that's good. We should stay alive.
When it was the last one in '99, I heard a guy who told me that it was really cloudy.
It was amazing, but there is an advantage because there's a guy called Patrick Ward. Do you know Patrick Ward? No. He's the most famous British astronomer. He's dead now, but he had been to many. He had a program on TV about astronomy. For 50 years. And when he
I'll have it with you guys.
the Eclipse in 1999.
Is that the lighter one?
Yeah.
The lighter one is ours.
Okay.
Yeah.
The darkest eclipse he had ever seen.
I'm really pleased. The clouds did excellent.
Clouds did really good job.
Although we didn't see it, we saw it on the screen.
The whole thing's built.
One thing that surprised me is we were on a mountain that we could see inland for about 20
hours.
And you know what a big signal wave
This made me really happy, and I really hope people that have got this from us have had the same joyous experience.
suddenly dark.
And do you know what? Last week,
Pictures, but the speed
I don't care.
the flash cam wave
I really don't
was
care.
coming towards us at maybe, I'm guessing, it felt like 1,000 miles an hour. In other words, the same speed as the rotation of the Earth.
We've allowed
And it was very interesting to see. It was like a Mexican wave that was coming towards you. Like that. Like a
Yeah,
very
the orange
fast
one.
jet.
Yeah,
Also remember that.
do you want to have a look? No, let me have a look.
Going dark.
Yeah, it looks orange. You know when the moon is really low?
I wish that I had recorded it. I haven't got a...
Yeah, it's always
I
one of
video
those,
camera.
but then you kind of want to leave the moment also.
Yeah, so I can remember it, but I think I wish I had a camera.
Yeah, when the last one came, I was in bed with the seat but I was night back then, so I remember seeing it. My mom had one like
What,
that,
in
but
1999?
proper, yeah, in 1999. And from my country, we could see it.
country?
It was like big dark Belgium.
Belgium.
Yeah.
So you had totality in Belgium in
Yeah, back
1999?
then, yeah.
Well, my children, I've got one child here, both my children, it was one of the most memorable things of their childhood. And here we are, my daughter now, 30 years later, and she's come here because she wanted to see this again. Even though it wasn't...
Not just see it again, see it with you.
But it's still pretty cool. I think she's the closer one we're gonna get.
Until it's the closest one for me, unless I travel to somewhere. I'll have to win the lottery to do it.
We have to look where is the next one.
There's one in Spain soon.
Yeah, in Valencia, apparently they have a total.
Yeah.
Right now, today's one, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, today.
Yeah.
With that, if I can take a picture.
put your phone right up on the door.
I didn't have much luck at taking pictures. I've tried all my iPhone and my camera. It didn't seem to work very well.
I think we need very, very, very expensive cameras, which we don't have. Did you manage to get good pictures through the glass?
Not totally, because like it reflects.
Yeah, get lots of
So,
light.
yeah.
I can just see a lot on my phone. Yeah, that's good. That is good.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Oh, you've literally got like the opposite of me.
All the people handling glass, they could have dropped it, broken it. It's quite sharp, isn't it?
I never go that one. That was and then it's a hike in the
I heard the hike and I said,
Bin fake. Bin fake. Yeah. Do you? Yeah. Right. Okay,
But I
so
think
what
it's, I'm dehydrated, laxity, driving, being in the sun.
Then I arrive just with a 20-minute drive.
okay, so you're going to be heading off soon.
Get up there.
But we're up for a sandwich.
Shall we go sandwich and a coffee? Shall we get a coffee?
Yeah.
Well, we'll get a drink.
Well, yeah, it's definitely because of that.
But you can if you like.
I was going to see a lot of people.
Would you like anything else? That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll see. Right, okay. Right, okay, thank you very much.
Have we got them all now?
Yep, all three.
Chelsea said it was really good.
Did she tell Eddie?
I don't know.